Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Free at least 2 GB of storage and restart the phone. Once done, check Android system and Google Play updates and install them. Updates often fix performance bugs. Make a quick backup of photos and contacts to cloud or PC so you can erase later without losing data. Now proceed to clear app caches and close heavy apps running in background. This begins reclaiming RAM and CPU cycles, so the phone responds faster right away. Once you've handled the basics, dig deeper. Clear per app caches and use storage settings to remove cached media and temporary files. Uninstall or disable apps you don't use, and swap heavy apps for light or web versions to save RAM and CPU. Make sure to restrict background sync and notifications for non-essential apps, and limit location or Bluetooth scanning when not needed. If animations slow you, reduce or turn off system animations in developer options to make UI feel snappier immediately. You're at final steps. If performance still lags after cleaning and limits, perform a factory reset only after completing a full backup. Once reset, reinstall essentials one at a time and monitor performance for 48-72 hours so you can spot the culprit app or setting. Update all apps and the system after restoring. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, boot into safe mode to test for third-party app issues, and consider hardware diagnostics at a service center if safe mode shows the same lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.